All Energy is an action-packed program. It's a two-day event. It has a premium conference full of international experts on clean and renewable energy. It's free to attend.
All Energy is the largest exhibition of clean energy in Australia, and so visitors here get to see really the full suite of companies, technologies, solutions and the exciting developments that are taking place in the clean energy sector.
I thought Bill Shorten's speech was very, very good, and the keynote speaker should be a really good one with Lord Deben.
We have the future of the world in our hands in a way which no one else has ever had.
I think this is the busiest year I've ever seen on day one. There's more people here currently than I think I've seen in 2 years.
There's a lot of new stuff coming out on the market, so and there's lots of new stuff for people to talk about, so it's been a good fun day.
Look, probably the installer standards was really handy for us because we're on the tools all the time, so catching up with other installers, and everyone seems to have the same issues and the same questions, so to have guys up the front answering those questions for us was pretty handy.
I think it's important that we have an opportunity as an industry to come together in one place where we can see what are the latest trends.
Obviously Tesla is a real buzzword at the moment.
Battery storage is the next evolution of the solar industry.
Certainly worth being here. There's a lot of companies displaying, and I think every meeting I've been in has been packed, so that's a pretty good positive sign.
The vibe of the event is awesome. The networking possibilities are good. The opportunities to meet people in the industry, yeah, it's good.
In terms of foot traffic, it's always the best show of the year. We've found with the integration with CEC and All Energy this year that it's actually it's got more of an international feel.
The visitors that we've had to the stand have just, they've overflowed the stand, to be honest, so it's been outstanding.
We built a lot of new business relationships, but also found that we could link up with old business relationships again here on the show.
It's a great way of networking, so I can see more people here in a couple of days than it would take me 2 or 3 months, for example, if I had to travel everywhere.
Yeah, I'd recommend everyone in the solar industry to come, whether you're a wholesaler, you're an installer, salesman, everyone's going to get something out of it.
Anyone in the renewable energy industry should be here.